And this is what I was talking about. This is the most tech-loaded motorcycle in its segment, and for the 2022 we got the electronics upgrade and a slightly improvement in the overall performance of the motorcycle. With the partial improvement in the overall performance of the motorcycle, the engine still has the 373cc liquid cooled that produces 43 PS of power and 37 Nm of torque. It gets a 6-speed gearbox with a quick shifter, but then this is not up to the mark as compared to the naked sibling 390. With the seat height of 855 mm, this is actually a tall motorcycle. I am 5'9" and I still cannot flat foot. You can see, and a rider any shorter than 5'9" still have to struggle with this motorcycle. But then this only weighs 177 kgs, which is really manageable in such kind of terrains. You get the split seat on the KTM Adventure 390. The rider seat is long and comfortable, and when you sit on this motorcycle, you can easily grab the tank with your thighs, and that will give you a really commanding posture. The 19-inch front and the 17-inch rear alloy wheels. These are lighter than a kgs than the previous generation. You get the Metzeler Tourance tire, which is really capable for the off-roading terrains, and you get the top-notch WP Apex suspension, which are non-adjustable in the front, and you get the adjustable in the rear. But in the international model, you get the adjustable suspension in the front, which is the major missing in the KTM Adventure 2022. And the braking compartment has been handled by the front 320mm disc and the rear 230mm disc, which is equipped by the cornering ABS, dual channel ABS, off-roading ABS, plus you get the traction control in it. The cornering ABS really gives you command for the mountain riding, slashing through the curves. And on the other hand, we have a totally different story when you switch off the rear ABS for your off-roading sessions, and the bike will slide through the dirt. And to keep this tall motorcycle manageable in the city, you get the dual channel ABS, which performs really well. Off-roading tag given to this motorcycle, it is not a hardcore off-roader, but it is more of a tourer motorcycle. You can hit 140 kmph easily on this without feeling stress on the engine. With the touring in mind, KTM has offered 14.5 liter of fuel tank that can offer up to 25 kmpl to 29 kmpl, and this motorcycle can straight hit up to 350 kilometers or 360 kilometers with a full tank. To conquer the off-road, we have the 200mm ground clearance, which is 20mm lesser than the Royal Enfield Himalayan, and to protect the exhaust, we have the fiber and the metal part that will keep you clean during your off-roading sessions. With the price tag of 3.92 lakh on road, yes, it is an expensive deal when we compare it to the competitors, but then we have the best power delivery, we have the best electronics inside the Adventure 390, and that's what makes it stand out for their competitors.